Talking about why I chose ACCA over other qualifications, I think one of the major reasons is ACCA's strong global recognition. In fact, ACCA is able to be recognized by most countries around the world. And as a result, if you want to work at multinational companies, ACCA will be very useful to you. Also, in the future, you may have some opportunities to work overseas. In that case, if you choose to leave Hong Kong and move to another country, ACCA will still be a very convincing qualification there and help you in your career progression overseas. And secondly, I think ACCA has its very strong global networks. Basically, you are able to find your ACCA fellow members in most countries around the world. And as far as I know, all the regional offices of ACCA will regularly hold gatherings for its members. And during these gatherings, you are able to reach knowledgeable and reputable senior ACCA members, which are usually industry leaders in different industries around the world. And I think this is very useful for you as a university student to progress your career in the future. In terms of how the Conditional Exemption program helped my career, because the Conditional Exemption program enabled me to register as an ACCA student as early as in my second year in university, I was able to complete all the exams before my graduation, which was really helpful in my job hunting process. And when I was applying for my graduate jobs, I wrote in my resume that I have already completed all the ACCA exams. And almost all the interviewers, after reading my resume, said that it was really impressive. Because it takes normally 2 to 3 years for graduates to complete all the 14 exams. However, with the conditional exemption of the program, I was able to complete all the exams even before graduation, and which has brought me a lot of competitiveness during the job hunting process. Imagine that you start to take ACCA exams after you already start to work. I believe that you can hardly find enough time to be well prepared for the exams. However, if you register as a study program student, you can choose to take P-level exams during your university, which will give you more than enough time to prepare for them. As for me, I attended all the P-level exams during my universities, and as a result, I achieved the Paper 3 winner in 2015. And I was able to attend the Paper Winner ceremony in 2015, where I presented myself to a lot of senior ACCA members who are mostly knowledgeable and reputable industry leaders. And I was also able to establish my own networks with them.